Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on World Soil Day. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Number 1 line. World Soil Day is celebrated on 5th December every year. Number 2. This day reminds us how important soil is for our life. Number 3. Soil gives us food, fruits, vegetables, and many natural resources. Number 4. It helps plants grow and keep our environment healthy. Number 5. Sadly, soil is getting polluted and damaged by chemicals and waste. Number 6. We must protect soil by reducing plastic and using natural fertilizers. Number 7. Farmers play a big role in keeping soil healthy. Number 8. We should plant more trees to stop soil erosion. Number 9. Healthy soil means a healthy future for all of us. Number 10. Let us promise to save and protect our soil every day. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.